Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl GiGi Jones here, and today I am here with a crab video. Ooh, look at that shine. Oh my God. I am here with a crab video. So y'all, let me tell you. I called the fish market and I said, hi, do you all have any golden crabs today? And they said, no, we don't have any golden crabs, but we have red crabs. Red crabs? I've never heard of a red crab. I said, red crab? And then, like, I thought about the little ones that be running across the roads on Christmas Island. I was like, no, can't be, right? So I said, okay, well, I'm going to come and check it out. I'm going to see what this red crab look like and what it tastes like. So obviously it's red, right? So y'all, I got them. I already got them cleaned and everything. So I'm going to show you the red crabs. So, I'm not sure on the taste of them, but we shall see. I hope I like them because I got quite a bit. Um, let's see. Well, they are red, and you all can, as you saw from the picture, the size of them. So they are bigger than a blue crab, smaller than a snow crab, and red. They're already red. Let me go ahead and get the lid on this so that they can cook and simmer. Okay, so I put like the normal seasoning in there that I normally use, which would be Old Bay. I use garlic powder, and I use this from the Thrive Market. I'm not sure if y'all have ever heard of Thrive, but Thrive Market actually has seasonings and organic foods, and they have foods based on like your eating, whatever your eating diet is, whatever your lifestyle is, whether it is paleo, whole food, gluten-free, dairy-free. So like they have it categorized. So anyway, this is where I got this spice from, and it's called Marissa Spice Blend. So I put some of this Marissa Spice Blend in there, along with my beloved Everglade seasoning. Now y'all know I use Everglade seasoning in everything, even popcorn, right? So anyway, and I did put some pink Himalayan salt in there as well. Okay, those of you who have never seen Everglade seasoning, and Old Bay. I don't know why I put it back up here because it's empty. Anyway, Old Bay and pink Himalayan salt. All right, so this is just the first part of it. Once they're done, I'm going to take them out, pour some of the water off, add my butter and my chili oil. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ready to chop some garlic. This is from elephant garlic. Yeah, one clove, but I'm going to put 2 cloves in there. Off some of the water, and I'm going to add some dill seed to the water. As a matter of fact, all of these are from my garden. Yes, this is cilantro. Think garden basil or sweet basil. This is purple basil. Drying it out, and this is sage, garden sage, rosemary, parsley, lemongrass that I've already cut the stalk up, and because I'm going to put the lemongrass in the crab boil water and the dill. And also I'm going to add chili oil and good old butter. Alright, so I have added the butter, the garlic, the lemongrass is in there, the dill is in there, and also the chili oil. So I'm going to go ahead and let this come to a boil, and then I'm going to add the crabs back in it. Guys, so I have taken the crabs out of the pot, and I have broken them up into pieces so that when I pour the butter sauce over them and the joints and get all over the nice tasty meat. And let me go ahead and get to it. So the shrimp are in here as well, the butter sauce, and the crabs, of course. And give me a moment and I'm going to tell you how everything tastes. Recap, I cut up all the pieces in the crab. I sectioned it off so that all the good buttery sauce can get in between. And I also cook some shrimp, and I like the shrimp with the head on. Okay, yeah, that's how I like it. And where's that big boy? Isn't he huge? Oh my gosh. All right, so on to tasting the crab. Grab this piece here. There it is. This is like the body part. Oh wow, that is good. Babe, it's good too.
Nice. I bet it is.
So, it is good. Like, it's definitely like, okay, oh, you don't have no golden crabs? Oh, you got red crabs? Oh, okay. I'll take them. It's very good. Nice and delicate and flaky. My husband can't eat them.
God is a good God.
He is. Because I eat it all for myself. Okay. Oh, wow. That's really good. Really, really good.
Hey, gotta eat all
Y'all,
this by yourself.
this is good. This is really good. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's almost like tastes like the golden crab. I definitely prefer red over blue now. And you already know that I prefer golden over blue. Can you believe that? I am a blue crab lover, but I am now a red and golden crab lover. All right, so, and the shrimp are good because they are seasoned very well. So I don't need to give you a review on the shrimp. Okay, but they are ready to rock and roll and be eaten as well. Isn't that big? Okay, so later, let me get busy. Hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.